kind of tricky when you're talking about codes and crickets because if a house is built a certain way under a certain code, it's not necessarily code to add a cricket. When you re-roof a house, you can continue to re-roof it the way it always has been, so long as you're within roofing codes. You don't necessarily have to change the architectural or structural segments. When we're talking about roofing codes, they do dictate that you upgrade some of the features of the roof. Most importantly would be renailing of the roof deck or sheathing or dimensional lumber if you have like a 1x6 or 1x8 roof deck. So there are specific codes that we have to follow as far as reattaching that to your trusses or your rafters or however your structure's constructed. And we photo document all that as we go along and make sure that everything is done, within those codes. And typically we exceed. We treat code as the minimum of what we should do. Typically what we're doing is well above code. I'll give you another example. Code states that you have to have either peel and stick or metal in your valleys, and we do both, as well as a synthetic underlayment. Again, just because that's where water tends to gather, and so why not add an additional insurance policy that just gives you a better product at the end of the day.